You've probably heard the term BIM object before, but what is a BIM object anyway? And what is one used for? What kind of graphical and non-graphical information does it contain? And crucially, what formats should this information adhere to, and where can you find them? Hello everyone, this is Mesolight Visual. Welcome back again to our channel. In today's video, we'll be covering a topic about BIM objects, ArchiCAD objects precisely, where you could find them, best sites to find ArchiCAD objects. A BIM object is an intelligent object which depicts the product or material in a digital world by combining visualization data, metadata, and behavioral data. Often called library objects, are used during the initial design phase as placeholders as a visual expression of the need of a specific object to be selected at a later stage. Basically, a BIM object represents the product's physical characteristics in a digital environment where the object behaves as an actual product does in the built asset. Without further ado, let me show you where you could get the free and less pricey BIM objects, where you could find this BIM objects, and I'll recommend a few platforms where you could get this BIM object libraries. Let's get into it. But before I recommend any site, for you to go download the BIM objects, one may ask, why do you have to use BIM objects in your project? Just benefits of using BIM objects in your designs, or representative of proper objects. So there's number one, I would say visual communication. You need to communicate your design very well. Let us start. The most obvious benefit is, for better visual communication. This is certainly the lowest hanging fruit. Like, you need to communicate your design. The construction manager can share a BIM model, not only the stakeholders but also the owners. Lifelike visualization and visual mock-ups give stakeholders, and clients better insights into your planned sequencing of your designs and so on. So you could use a proper representative of your objects, your furniture, that's the basic of using BIM for better visual communication. And number two, I would say class detection and resolution. Class detection and resolution became easy, and subcontractors can visualize details in the lifelike models, precisely, and at which locations are electrical fittings and clashings and public plumbing fittings and so on. You could put lifelike objects to represent that, to solve that, and quantity takeoffs as well. You need to specify how many sockets are there, how many lights are there, how many tiles are there, how many windows are there. So this is one thing, that quantity takeoffs as well for schedules, for construction coordination and so on. So you need to use proper objects for your representations of your drawings. Your kitchen has to be represented with stuff like kitchen cabinets. Your lights have to be represented like your sockets and so on. Yeah. So some of the major benefits of that is to include easier communication, glass detection, streamlined coordination, and cost optimization. That's it, honestly. There are many places you could expect to find BIM objects. One of the most useful and one of the library sites, such as okay, here I'm putting on, guys. The list is according to me, where objects that I used to get, websites I used to go get my objects from. So number one, I'll say I'll put you on BIM objects. It's called BIM objects. Just a BIM object. It transformed over the years. Really over the years. It's a global marketplace for construction industry. They provide design inspiration, digital products, digital products information to all the architects, these engineers who are giving building product manufacturers a better way to reach, influence, and understand them. Like there's a lot of product brands, it lets you save time modeling, which is very important in large projects. So in here you could let's say anything you want. Let's say you want beds, bed. You could download anything. For example, I get that you could download anything you want here, or according to ArchiCAD as well. You need ArchiCAD, like it has so many file types, but remember we're looking for ArchiCAD. So we'd say table, for example. I'll show you how to use this. So it offers objects that are not really there in ArchiCAD, like that are parametric, user-friendly, for example. So I'd say I like this table. Let's hope it has ArchiCAD format. So that's the specifications, technical information about the table, that parametric, and then the links. This goes to the website of where you know the products the manufacturers are. So this is very interactive. And then I'll say download. There's a ArchiCAD file. So I'll show you how to put this file. You just drag and drop into your ArchiCAD. That's basically it. You just drag and drop. You open the file, you download, and then drag and drop to ArchiCAD. That's number one. It's a very useful website. I like it very much. So hence why I put it in the my top list, number one. It's one of the you need to know it if you're into ArchiCAD. 4 million registered users. It's very good, but you need to create an account. You need to create an account. You need to create an account, and it offers different kinds of formats. So even if you're a Revit user, SketchUp user, you'd find your products here, Microsoft Station. So it's good. It's a good place. It's a good marketplace. So check it out. Number 2 on the list is the NBS National BIM Library, the UK's fastest growing BIM library, with a comprehensive collection of generic and manufacturers BIM objects ranging from building fabric systems to mechanical and electrical objects. The NBS library is free to use and is the only BIM object library which links directly to the NBS specification software and the NBS BIM toolkit, an essential requirement for BIM level 2. And BIM level 2 it's all about collaboration and specifications and so on. So if you're into BIM, you really need to be aware of this NBS library. There are thousands of manufacturer specific and generic BIM models that are available here. Let me take you through the NBS website. I'll leave links to the website, guys, to every website, the NBS and BIM Object, and every other website that I'll be covering. So 100 electrical power lighting, communication systems, plumbing, waste disposal. So this is like a proper representative of the building elements. The NBS utilizes a workflow that makes use of the plugins, NBS, making it easy to choose and preview files. Like it's a for you to use NBS, because it's a software, it's a standalone software. So just download BIM, simple as that. Sign up to register. You have to sign up and register, and that's another one you need to know. But you can look for any library you want. Discover BIM library. So this is BIM Objects. It's a very informative in terms of if you want to learn BIM, because this is where the future is going. But this I think ArchiCAD here, they left it behind in terms of NBS, because I've seen it grow and they're not really ArchiCAD based, as they are deep in Revit. So you can sign up and download objects here, guys. Table, let's just say table. Table you found, let's say this one. That's the table. You download, you see IFC. Oh, you can get the IFC file if there is no ArchiCAD file, but there are other objects that are there in terms of if they are ArchiCAD. But if you just select an IFC, you can get an IFC. There's a way of you to import IFC files. I've done a video about IFC, you know, but this is you know, furniture BIM models, covers a range of loose products such as standalone desks, shelves, racks, portable seating, EDC, yeah, engineered surface quads. Oh yeah, and even surfaces. Still no rivet, it's all rivet. Okay, but yeah, there's where you could find ArchiCAD. I think, let's say ArchiCAD objects. ArchiCAD objects, okay. Where do I say Graphisoft Limited? Browse. So you need to, I think ArchiCAD, I don't know what the deal they had with NBS, but I wish they could have really reinforced it, because it's a very dope plugin. Alright, let's just continue with our journey. In our third list, BIM Components is our third website in our list, which you could download ArchiCAD products. Honestly, I should have started with this one, but it's fine. This is the one website that has official Graphisoft provided ArchiCAD objects, BIM Components. I'll leave the link on the description. This website is Graphisoft's platform for sharing GDL content, from generic and standard models to more manufacturer-specific products. The site hosts thousands of free downloads and uses ArchiCAD objects to help our designers, engineers, and other industry professionals. It has popular categories like accessories, bathroom, beam, beds, cabinet, cars. These objects mainly are not included in ArchiCAD. They are GDL objects which we can download. For example, you could just go to, it's easy to download here. It's easy to download in this file. You just drag and drop. The slides are not there in ArchiCAD. Some of them are not there in ArchiCAD. This one, yes, you see, it's called ArchiCAD 16. It's there, but these ones are not there. You know, so like the slides are not there in ArchiCAD. So you can download them, and what you do is you just download library and drag and drop. You can drag and drop. You can download. Let's try and drag. We dragged it, and it's remaining. So it's taking time. It shouldn't take this time. So it's best you download. You know, 17,000 downloads. That's impressive. So one thing you need to know is, for sure, you have to sign up. You have to sign up into ArchiCAD. That's another best website. I would recommend you guys to check it out. And then our fourth, for sure you have to sign up, right? You have to sign up, and it's free. Sign up and do good. It's easy, drag and drop. Find unique objects, and yes. On our fourth list is ArchiRadar. ArchiRadar is an Italian website that thankfully has the option to translate to English. It's not completely free. It has paid 3D and 2D objects on the website. You can translate this to English. How do I do that? It has to pop up that yes here, translate to English. Yes, I did. So it's easy. It's but it is, like I said, it has paid 3D and 2D objects on the website, but it still have free objects for download. You simply have to register, like you said register. You simply have to register and create an account on the site to get them. They have blocks, objects, 3D models for all different kinds of modeling programs. But yes, we are looking for ArchiCAD, right? The object type it has to be mostly ArchiCAD objects. It's organized by 2D and 3D objects, so you have an easy time to navigate the site. It's easy to navigate the site, ain't it? Yes, it is easy. So they have nice BIM certificates, training as well. Problem is they have no interface. They don't show, let's say there's fences. We don't know what the fence is, you know. Oh, okay, the view, okay, there it is. Okay, it's quite heavy now. Okay, how do you download? You don't have permission to download this file. You have to create an account, you know, accept cookies and so on. 3 for Atlantis. There is Atlantis as well. Training, objects on sale, ArchiCAD. This is ArchiCAD 2016. This is way back, huh? Okay, ArchiCAD objects. So they're not really parametric, I'd say. But yeah, you can check them out if you find interesting stuff in them. You can check them out as well. ArchiRadar, they have training as well, videos and so on. Tutorials. ArchiCAD 15, that was ArchiCAD 15. So it hasn't been updated in a minute, I'd say. Atlantis 3, this is way back. So they haven't really updated the website, I guess. I used to use it back in the day. That's why I was recommending it. That's why I was recommending it. So it will help. The sites that are helpful. That modeling these objects can be time consuming. Hence why these websites are there for you guys to check them out. You know. Last on our list is the MSB Store. MSB Store is a legitimate business with 100 plus products categorized into 2 formats. One is training material, like courses, video tutorials, and ebooks. The other category is resource packs, templates, and software presets. The brand offers comprehensive training materials in ArchiCAD and BIM related softwares. The digital products are meant to help and improve designers' workflows. The products are designed specifically for architects, engineers, and construction professionals and students. The whole manifesto behind the MSB products is to help solve tactical pains that users have when using Graphisoft. They have been used by many companies and individuals from all over the world, with most customers and from Africa and East Africa, United States, and so on. The vision of the MSB ArchiCAD store is to act as a resource bank. For ArchiCAD is to act as a ArchiCAD bank, resource bank. The vision should place MSB as a ArchiCAD resource bank website, and that's basically it. The MSB store. It has a variety of presets, models. Unlike the website that I've mentioned before, this one has detailed models for you to practice and toolkits. These are toolkits, templates, detailed models. Like I said, it's quite interesting for you. It has, you know, this is the website. I'll leave the link in the description. There's an interface, the models, BIM pegs, and so on. They also has the support. They assist with the tool usage, setting up workflows, troubleshooting glitches, sharing best practices, and video tutorials. There's a YouTube channel where you could watch how they use the products, a whole variety of 2D to 3D to BIM resources to templates to presentation and then title blocks. So they're a hotspot for ArchiCAD. I would say it's a hotspot for ArchiCAD. You could leave a recommendation of any product you want to you know, unique customized presets, high quality, parametric, there's the interface, a whole variety of products from 2D to 3D models, graphic overrides, presets, tables, gates, and so on. So check out the YouTube channel in the link at the description. It's an educational platform for you to speed up your ArchiCAD journey. Check out the channel. So to conclude, I'd say ArchiCAD has evolved over the years. Its functionalities have improved, and it can now handle more complex BIM and architectural models. However, making these models in ArchiCAD can be time consuming and also expensive, especially if you have to hire an expert to do it. So check out this website that I've mentioned before. Whatever product you want, you can search it. If it's not, request information. We can model it for you. Whatever product you want designed for you, we could model it for you. There's a Black Friday sale running. Please check out the discounts. Check out the website for discounts, and enjoy the journey. Enjoy the products. Learn, practice, and unleash your creative potential with our full range of ArchiCAD resources at MSB Store. Bye for now. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe to this channel. Like and subscribe. Catch you in the next video. Bye for now.